Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on simplifying ratios worksheets. So this video gives us a couple of worksheets where we are asked to simplify ratios. Now we've had a lesson on this topic, so if you need some help, just go to the last slide, click on the link, and it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all the examples. So I'll leave this slide on for 1 minute before I go on to the next slide, and pause the video at any time if you need more time. Okay, I'll go on to the next slide now, but by all means pause this slide if you need more time. Here we go to slide number 2. Okay, I'll go on to the last slide now, and by all means pause this slide if you need more time. I hope you enjoyed interacting with these different exercises.